Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be my first review about another traffic exchange site that I've been using recently. And the traffic exchange site is called Click Voyager. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me explain briefly what I've been doing recently. I started surfing on a daily basis in a lot of traffic exchange sites, and I've been promoting one link in order to see what type of traffic that they bring to my link and if it's worth working on that traffic exchange site or not. So I started recording and uploading a series of videos where I give my first impression for the site and of course some initial results, always using leadslip.com. And after a while, after I've been testing these sites long enough, I will record a second series of videos that will be shorter than these ones, all right? And I will give my personal opinion, and of course I will show the results at that point. And today's video, like I said, is my first review on Click Voyager. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. I'd appreciate it a lot if you share the videos in relevant groups all over social medias, wherever you can. Thanks a lot in advance, so let's jump to today's site. Like I said, it's called Click Voyager, and this yellowish thing is the homepage, the members news for my account. Now, the sign-up procedure is quite the same as everywhere else. You have to choose your email, password, username, confirm your email, and you're good to go. And this is the members news, so the home page. These are my info, and this is the surf button when you can start surfing right away. So these are all the features that Click Voyager can offer. So we will check them one by one briefly. All right, members news is this right here. You can find different news about different contents in different days of the week. The surf page is quite simple. You just click on surf, and Click Voyager doesn't have any captcha to solve or to click on the same image, the same number or whatever. It only has this next button, next site button here. All right, now I'm gonna get a little bit longer in the surfing page at the end of this video. So let's go back to the members area. Your messages, here are messages when you get notification if you are a winner to a contest or if a user sends you a private message. Your profile, of course, your stats, where you can see the stats of your type of account, which I am silver because I surfed enough pages to get a free membership level. And by the way, Click Voyager offers free membership upgrade up to golden membership if you surf enough pages. Okay, credit balance and some other statistic, you can check it. It's quite simple to navigate. So here are your ads. Now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the moment, but let me tell you something. In Click Voyager is different because they calculate the traffic they bring to one user. They don't calculate it to one URL, which means that if they calculate 100 visitors for you as a user, if you have 4 URLs, then you will get 25 visitors per each. But if you promote only one URL, then all of that quantity of visitors will go to that particular URL. So it's not like if you put a lot of URLs you will get, or if you promote the same URL 5 times, you will get 5 times more traffic. No, so that's why at the moment I only have active only 2 URLs I'm promoting, but I change it from time to time. Okay, here are your bookmarks. The moment you surf, you can bookmark an ad so you can refer it afterwards. You can create a splash page, which I don't use, your referrals, games and contests. Now here are the top clickers, and I used to be here for the last couple of weeks every day. These are the Click Voyager League, which means the people that gets the most hit on their referral link while promoting Click Voyager. And here are Click Voyager slots. For every 50 sites you surf in one day, you will get one slot, and you can earn different prices in credits, of course, depending on what you get. Alright, but remember that no matter how many slots available you have to use them within 24 hours. The next day the count will be 0 again. And daily sponsor site, you know what that is, I'm not going to go through that. And bribes are like simple tasks, like pay to sign up tasks. Okay, let's see how it looks. Add a new bribe, you can click here and you use credit, of course. So you just had the title here, you just add the URL, the targeted URL, and sign up credits, and of course the number of signups that you want. And you can also choose a category: traffic exchange, MLM, get paid to, other. And here you can also put a describe. I just created a bribe. I don't use it particularly here, but I just created one and see how it goes. Okay, and you can also buy credits or upgrades, and of course the logout button. Now this is it basically for Click Voyager. There's nothing much to it anymore beside all this yellow which I don't particularly like, but it doesn't matter. Now let's get back a little bit again into the surfing page, the surfing feature. Then I'm gonna show my results until now on Click Voyager using the same link that I've been using in my other videos, and I think that would be enough for today's video. So let's jump to surf now. Now the surfing feature on Click Voyager, I like it, but at the same time I don't like it at all. I like it for one simple reason: because you can surf a lot of pages every day if you have the right software. What I mean is that in my other laptop I have a software where I can record every and each mouse movement, of course every click it makes, right? I can loop it, and I can let it run 24/7, because on Click Voyager you don't have, like I said, you don't have to solve any CAPTCHA, you don't have to click on any numbers alike or images alike. There is only this next button. So if you have a software that can record your mouse movements and clicks, you can let it run 24/7. That's how I've been getting every week. I mean, it's been 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks that I've been using this, and I've been getting for free a silver upgrade because I let it run automatically. Alright, I recorded a cycle for my mouse, wait 10 seconds maybe, go here, click again, and I let it run 24/7. So this is the part that I like, because I can gain a free upgrade, also many credits. Alright, but the thing that I don't like about this is that, oh yeah, by the way, you can also play higher or lower and you will get credits if you win. So the thing that I don't like about this is that, like I'm doing with this, like I'm using it, there might be a lot of other users doing the same. Okay, they also might have another software that records the mouse movements and clicks, and also they can let it run 24/7. But that means that they do not pay attention to the ad that is being shown here. Alright, so that means that yeah, you will get traffic to your site, but the visitor probably won't be in front of its device at all. You know what I mean? So that's the thing also I don't like. But hey, you can use this if you feel that this is true also for you. You can use this, I mean Click Voyager, to promote PTP links. Okay, you can promote them. You can use it to, I don't know, maybe for traffic exchange minutes, I don't know, something like that, to improve the ranks on your websites or whatever. However, let's see some results, and then I'm gonna leave this first review video with that, and after a while, like I said, I'll be recording the second video. So again, I'm using leadslib.com, and this is the link that I've been using to show results also on my previous videos. Alright, so let's check out Click Voyager, and there it is. Now I got 7,000 hits within a month and 51 responses. But this is the main thing that I'm focusing on when I'm comparing results. Okay, so like I said, I can't give a first final verdict about this because it's this feature that I don't particularly like. When you have to solve a CAPTCHA, you attract more attention of your visitor because after all, he or she must solve the CAPTCHA in order to gain credits and to jump to the next surfing page. But if it's done automatically through softwares that you can find and download for free, then the visitor won't even look at your ad, not even one time, just like I've been doing recently. And I'm being honest about it, alright? Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, hit that like and remember to share it. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you again and see you in the next one. Cheers!